Hello everyone, welcome to the simple unboxing video of a MacBook Pro. This is a 2023 model and this is a 14-inch MacBook with M2 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of my new MacBook Pro. This is a 2023 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Pro chip. And it has got 18 GB RAM and 512 GB of SSD. So this being the latest generation, let's start with opening the box up itself. And we've got these two little stickers. These go out. And there it is. The beast. Oh, it feels heavier than I thought it would. On the box itself, that's the MacBook Pro. Here's the MagSafe charging cable, leaflet, and as you can see, this is a MacBook Pro. Some more leaflets, and obviously the new bigger stickers, and this being the black version. This is how it looks, and it comes with a charging port, and that's all you get in the box. So putting the chargers on the side. With the MacBook Pro itself, this is a lovely color. It's black in color and feels a little bit heavier than MacBook Air. Got MacBook Pro written on the back. And looking on the side, charging port ×1, USB-C type port 2 on the left hand side, a audio cable input point, and you can see a HDMI port, another USB-C port, and the SD card port in here. So that's all you see on the laptop from all the ends. And basically you open the laptop up, take the sticker out, and it's turned on. Looking at the laptop itself, you can see some speaker ports in here. As you can see, you see the fingerprint marks a little bit, but apparently they have got a coating in here which helps you to avoid these in longer run. And the keyboard is there, you have a fingerprint touch there, and apparently it has got 6 speaker ports. So that's it. This is the setup mode. You set it up as normal, and here you go.